Today we will study solids, liquids and gases. So let's proceed. What is matter and what does it contains? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. And matter contains of small particles called atoms and molecules. The three states of matter are solids, liquids and gases. See to the picture, that is the attraction of the different types of molecules in different states of matter. The first solid, the second liquids and the third gases. Our first topic, solids. Solid is one of the three fundamental states of matter. The molecules in a solid are closely packed together and contain the least amount of kinetic energy. A solid is categorized by structural rigidity and resistance to a force applied to the surface. Now, the examples of solids: television, toy, table and chair. Second topic, liquids. A liquid is a nearly incompressible fluid that conforms to the shape of its container but retains a constant volume independent of pressure. As such, it is one of the three fundamental states of matter and is the only state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. Now, the examples of liquids: milk, water, juice, petroleum and etc. Coming to the third state of matter, which is gases. Gas is one of the three fundamental states of matter. A pure gas may be made up of individual atoms, elemental molecules made from one type of atom, or compound molecules made from a variety of atoms. A gas mixture such as air contains a variety of pure gases. You can see to the picture of molecules, they are flowing to the available space to them. And the examples of gases: oxygen, air-filled balloons, heat or steam and clouds. These all are examples of gases. Coming to the second topic, which is change in the states of matter. How this state of matter can be changed from one to another. First, melting. When ice is kept out of a refrigerator, it melts into water. The process of changing a solid into a liquid on heating is called melting. Before explaining you this, I would like to give you an experiment. Take water in a vessel, put it on the gas stove for 5 minutes and cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, when you open it, you see small bubbles on the plate or on the lid from which you covered your vessel. The small bubbles which have come out, they are the next form of water, and when water is heated, it has changed into water vapors. And this process of changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Next, condensation. When the steam touches a cold surface, it changes into water. The process of changing a gas into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. Now, freezing. When water is kept in a freezer, it changes into ice. The process of changing a liquid into a solid on cooling is called freezing. You can see the picture. Now coming to our last topic, which is physical and chemical changes. Physical change. A physical change is a temporary change that can be reversed. For example, melting of wax and melting of ice, etc. Can you see the candle which is burning? After the wax has melted, we can freeze it and we can get the candle back. Similarly with ice. You can see the examples of some physical changes like melting of wax, melting of ice, glowing of an electric bulb and evaporation. Next, chemical changes. A chemical change is a permanent change that cannot be reversed. For example, formation of curd, cooking of food, etc. Can you see the curd in the picture? Yes, after it has been converted to a curd, it cannot be made back to a milk. Some examples of chemical change: burning of matchsticks, cooking of food, burning of paper, and broken vase. Now you have a question: why is broken vase is also a chemical change? After breaking, you can join it, but you cannot get the exact vase and same exactly beautiful vase as it was. So it is a chemical change. Thank you. I hope you have liked and had fun in learning with me.